Hi! Mga lalabs, Tito and Tita Mel nyo. At tayo ay kasama si Stuart. Yan. Hello, hello. Happy New Year to all. Si Yellow Cat. Smiley. And ngayon ay magbubukas tayo ng mga gifts ng Merry Christmas. Ngayon natin bubuksan, unboxing, at saka alaman ng paper bag. Yan ang napanalunan ko sa mga pinuntahan ko. Yan. So, let's see it. And welcome to my channel. Hope you like it. And don't forget to click the bell and like, share, and subscribe. So, let's start it. Oh, nabuksan ko na. I just opened this one already. This one for my daughter. And the inside is this one. Yan. So, she like it. So, akin naman. Akin naman ay ito. So, kaya ang laman nito. Slowly, like, parang ano lang. Slowly open. Taran! Taran! Silipin natin. Uy! Kaya to? I am a tiger. Naku, laki-laki naman ang item ng tiger. Wow, laki-laki naman ang tiger. See? Tiger, tiger. Diyos mio. Yan po ang akin. Try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. It's a... Oh, can close. I'm big. Yan. Oy, parang yung curtain ko. So look like my curtain also. And ayan, taran! 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 Ayan, taran! Like the curtain. Okay. Then let's put a belt. Okay, yan ang akin. So let's see the other one. This one for my hubby. So let's open it. Wala yung may-ari. So I am the one who opened it. Ay naku, hirap naman buksan ata. Let's use gunting. Let's see what's inside of this. Sleeping. Ta-da! Slowly, slowly open it. Ah, wow, blue. What is size? XL. Maybe can. Taran! Yan for my hubby. Yan for my hubby. Let's see the other. This one mine. This one can. Yun. Eye of the tiger. Yan. And let's see inside this. Okay. Ta-da! What is this? It looks like it's Swanky and let's see tie-tie. Oop! Uh-oh! It's can't believe that also. Oy! Then, what is that? Oy, it's like a head. Yeah. Then it's a taran or towel. Uh-oh, it's a towel. A big towel. Thank you, thank you. And another one. Yay! What is this? Another one, another one. Taran! What's inside? Oh! It's a yellow color and is from a yellow color. Water, water. And there's another one from Bessie. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Now only can I open because I'm too busy. Today is no working day, so today can open it, and it's drinking already. Hulaan nyo. Ano ito? Another what? Uh-oh! Another color. Uh-oh. It's another one. Big one. Okay. Can cover a table or anything. There's still another one, and we will find it. What's in the box? Oh, oh, oh. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ganun na daw. Excited. I'm excited. Oh, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, it's a glass. It's a drinking glass. Mm, thank you. It's a look like drinking. Oh, it's 6 pieces. There it is. Okay, thank you. And there's another bag. Sling bag. Okay. It's really nice outside. So I got another one. Oh, it's a sling bag. Oh, it's like that. It's colorful. Oh, like that. Okay. And there's an ampao. Yellow. Then let's dip on inside. No need to show. It's a good luck, good luck. Okay, got good luck. So all is mine. What? So I'm yellow and yellow and me not yellow. And all this what I get. See, and this and this. So I got you and that luminark. Yes, thank you sa mga pamasko nyo. May pamasko din ako. So, this is Tita Mel. Share it and share with you. I got another one from Bessie. Here it is. Say a tiger. Thank you, Bessie. Then, this one is from my... Okay. Oh. Yes, B shape until here. So see you again. This is me, and don't forget to click the ring bell. It's your Tita Mel. Share what I got. So bye bye. Like, share, can comment, and subscribe. So bye bye, see you again.